Hi, my name is Percy Cecilia. I am here to do a presentation about GDC Coop and their platform Ubiz. This presentation is especially for all members of the GDC Coop, but also for new members who are interested in doing business with GDC. So let's start. What is Ubiz? Ubiz is a fidelity application that keep the binding contact with all of your customers, with all of your clients. So whenever you have a group of true clients, whenever you have a group of people coming to your store regularly throughout the year, it's nice to be in close contact with them whenever you have a promotion or whenever you have new products arriving and things like that. Now, people nowadays use YouTube, or they use Instagram, or they use Facebook to keep in contact with possible clients. But in this case, if your clients are people who don't use Facebook or who don't use Instagram, whenever you send something on Instagram or Facebook, they don't get it. So Ubiz is an ideal application that you can keep contact with your clients, because you just have to tell them, download the app and wait till we send a promotion and wait till we send a notification. Because you don't have to interchange names, you don't have to interchange address, nothing with them. Just tell them to download the app. Okay, that's the formal, that's the basic way Ubiz is created, the basic motive of Ubiz being created. Okay, so it's a tool to keep in contact with your clients by sending them promotions or notifications. Okay. Next, we have the different functions of Ubiz. Ubiz is a location app, and you need to have your location on in order to use Ubiz. Every user of Ubiz, when you download your Ubiz, you have to register your name by giving your address and creating a password, and then you're set. Okay, the application asks you to open your location, so it can work because Ubiz gives you in a range of 20 kilometers all the companies that are registered with Ubiz. So if you are standing in a certain point in a range of 20 kilometers, you can see all the companies around you that are registered with Ubiz. Whether it is a coffee shop, whether it is a salon, whether it is a car wash, whether it is a drugstore, it doesn't matter what type of store it is, you can find them. There is a special feature on the app where you can slide the 20 kilometer range and make it smaller, like 10 kilometers or 5 kilometers or even 1 kilometer. So you can change the slider, and you can see all the companies around you. Okay, that's a very, very good feature of the Ubiz application. Okay, there are 3 packages you can set up from the Ubiz application. 3 different needs. It depends what are your needs. And we start with the first, the basic one, the standard one, Ubiz standard. It's an application where you can send a promotion once a week. From all the people that have downloaded the Ubiz application, only 50 will receive your publication, your promotion, or your notification, and you can send it once a week. Okay, so if you make a calculation, you can send this promotion, or different promotion, 52 times a year. So in a year, 52 times, and you can reach every time 50 people. That's about 2,500 people in a year you can reach by using the first application, the first package, which is the standard Ubiz. We have a second, we call it the premium package. Premium package, you can send twice a week. You can send a promotion or a notification, and every time you send the promotion or notification, 200 people from the whole Ubiz community are reached with your promotion. So per week you can reach almost 400 people sending 2 promotions per week. Okay, or notifications, doesn't matter. Okay, so if we count them, it's about 150 times you can send them in the whole year, and it's about 24,000 people you can reach by sending twice a week a promotion or a notification with the premium app. We have also the Pro app. The Pro app, that's one notification or promotion per day. So each day you can send out one promotion or a notification, and that's all the Ubiz community on the island will receive your notification or your promotion. All people. So if there are 20,000 downloads, 20,000 people will receive it immediately, instantly when you send, press send button. So the Pro package, 365 days a year, you can send it to everybody in the Ubiz community. Okay, now that's a big gain, because when you compare this with Facebook or Instagram, when you send something on Instagram, only the people who are at the moment on Instagram will receive it, or Facebook. People who dial in, people who look to Facebook or Instagram on a later moment, they will find it only if they scroll and keep a while on the Ubiz, on the platform of Facebook or Instagram. Some of them will receive it if they have follow you or if they have like you. They will receive it as notification in their notification area. But you see, Facebook is cheap, free. Instagram is free, but it doesn't reach all the people you want or all the people you wish to be reached. Okay, so it's a gas, it stays a gas. But with Ubiz, the moment you press send, all phones of all people who have the Ubiz app downloaded will ring, blip, 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 will give a notification sound. And that notification sound, if only 30 or 40% of them look at it, you have reached greater audience than with Facebook and then with Instagram. So that's the power of the application. Application is directly and very very fast. So it's instant. It's instant messaging. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you now about some applications you can think about, or some companies you can think about who can use Ubiz. Okay, this is another application where you can use Ubiz for. You can use Ubiz as a marketplace. So people who want to sell stuff, you want to sell a car, you want to sell a chair, you want to sell anything online, you can use this application to sell all what you have, because the reach is bigger and instant and fast. Okay, so once you pay for one of the 3 packages, you pay one time. It is a yearly subscription, so you pay one time and you can keep sending promotions. In the case of standard, every week, twice weekly, or every day, depends which package you have. So you don't have to pay again and again and again and again. You pay one time to have the license. It is a 1-year subscription, and you can send, all the amount of times the package permits you to send. So it's a great tool to sell things online. You want to sell sneakers, clothes, you want to sell bicycle, whatever you want to sell. You want to sell a car, you want to sell your apartments, you want to rent apartments. Everything you can do on the Ubiz app. Okay, I have here a list of great companies that can use Ubiz very practically. Licores Maduro. Why Licores Maduro? Licores Maduro used to have every twice a year, or every time they used to have their campaigns where people can buy things and save their bottles or save their caps, and then they can win something. No, using the Ubiz app, it's very, very great tool to do campaigns. That's Celicor and Agualectra. They can use this Ubiz app to send notifications. Every time they don't have a certain service in a certain neighborhood, they can use the Ubiz application to send notification to all the people in that particular neighborhood. You have companies like North Sea Jazz Festival, Fundación Bon Intention. Yes, they can use the Ubiz app to send information to all their clients, promotions and things like that. So you have a range of other companies like Coca-Cola, Distribuir, KFC, Radio Mas, Cruz Cora, Brasa, TV Direct. So the list is countless. They can use Ubiz to reach all their clients and also their potential clients. So let me give you some scenarios. Let's say you want to sell a car, and you have the basic package, the standard package. You can send only one promotion per week, and 50 people will get the promotion direct. So there is a feature in Ubiz. When you send the promotion on Monday, for instance, you can give it a stay of the whole week. So it is sending one promotion, but you can give it a length of stay on the platform of 7 days. okay, or 2 weeks, or the whole month. It depends on how long you want the advertising to stay on the platform. So you don't have to pay anything for it. You just send it and you enter the length of the days you want it to stay. For instance, you want to sell, or you have a coming week, you have a barbecue in your garage, at your garage, in your garden, you have a barbecue, you're selling a grill. You can send one promotion. You know for sure 50 people will get it, okay? In the case of the premium app, you are sure 200 people will get it, and you can send it twice a week, and every time you can give it a stay of 7 days or more, okay? For big companies that like I name like Koiman or like Berlin Depot, if they want to send daily promotions, so all people in the community, in the Ubiz community, will receive it. They can too. They can too. Every day send free, because they already pay their yearly subscription. Every day they can send free one of their promotions of one of the products, and give it a stay of 2 days, 3 days, or 1 week, or 1 month. It depends on how long they want it to stay on the platform. So you understand that while every company has the capacity of using this Ubiz app, they can send every day, or every week, or every once a week, or every twice a week. They can send their promotions. I think about restaurants, hotels, apartments. I think about all type of companies. I think about the coming days of December. Carnival, no, not Carnival, San Nicolas, Christmas, holidays. I think about all these days where people can make a very good use of the Ubiz app, okay? You can participate, and there are 3 ways you can participate with us in this platform. You can participate as a partner. A partner is someone who has a whole country on his disposition. Like for instance, I am a partner of Curacao, so the whole country of Curacao it's under my supervision. You can choose to have Bonaire, you can choose to have St. Martin or Aruba, you can choose to have any province of Holland as a partner. So as a partner, you are responsible for a whole region, okay? You can also participate as a franchiser. As a franchiser, you have a smaller region from a province, a smaller, very smaller region, and then you're going to supervise that region, okay? And you can participate as a promoter. Promoter are the people that goes out every day and talk to every type of companies and have them registered on Ubiz, okay? So a promoter is someone who steps out every day. They tell themselves what time, what day they go. It's not a set time. If they say, okay, today I want to do 3 hours, they go 3 hours. If they say this week I want to go 4 days, they go 4 days. So they set their own pace, they set their own time. But these people are the people who goes out and sell the basic app, the standard app, the basic application that of 50 people reach. they go out. So we need all three of them. We need people to take supervision of a whole country or a province. We need people that take supervision on a lesser region, and we need people that goes out on a daily basis and sell the application. So this is the end of our presentation. I hope I was very clear. English is not my native language, but I have done my utmost to communicate with you in this language. And if you have questions, you can send them to me. PRA-INS@yahoo.com. Mail me, and then we can talk about all of your questions. So for now, thanks for your attention, and we will be in contact. Thanks.